Look at him fly. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, is he gonna crash? I think he's gonna crash. Oh my god. Oh my god. Boring. You guys know what kind of airplane this is? It's an Apache Tomahawk Cobra 420-100. Yeah, it's the Ultra Raven model. Not the Mega Falcon. Oh, is he gonna come this way? Oh, he's coming this way. Oh man. Is he gonna do that? You guys think he's locking onto me with his missile radar? I don't know. Scary. Started moving again. It's coming this way. Oh God. It's gonna run me over. Oh. Wow. He decided to spare me. Oh, now he's parking. Oh, who they got in there? I bet it's just a little guy. Oh, am I right? I knew it!